As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Theta cost will hit $9 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $15 toward the finish of 2025. Theta will ascend to $20 inside the time of 2030 and $25 in 2031. Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.97, so the cost expanded by 54% from the outset of the year. The determined Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3.59 and the year-to-year change plus 180%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 82%. In 2024, we hope to see $3.70 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $4.67. In the last part, the cost would add $20 and close the year at $4.87, which is plus 147% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $4.87 to $6.06, which is up 24%. Theta will begin 2026 at $4.87, then dip to $4.57 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $4.80. That implies plus 143% from today. Theta forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $6.66 to $7.80, which is plus 29%. Theta will begin 2031 at $6.06, then take off to $6.42 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $6.69. It is about plus 239% from today. 02152 into 4. Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.18. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.10, so the cost diminished by 14% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.70 and the year-to-year change plus 111%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 146%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.86 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $3.16. In the final part, the cost would add $12 and close the year at $3.18, which is plus 199% to the ongoing cost. Theta expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $3.28 to $4.87, which is up 48%. Theta will begin 2026 at $3.18, then take off to $3.49 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $3.06. That implies plus 179% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $4.87 to $6.13, which is plus 26%. Theta will begin 2031 at $4.87, then take off to $5.16 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $4.97. It is about plus 354% from today. 4. Theta value forecast 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.814. Today, Theta exchanged at $0.96 so the cost diminished by 24% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.13 and the year-to-year change plus 66%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.47 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $0.49. In the last part, the cost would add $0.10 and close the year at $2.59, which is plus 167% to the ongoing cost. Theta expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $2.59 to $3.87, which is up 49%. Theta will begin 2026 at $2.59, then take off to $0.76 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.42. That implies plus 150% from today. Theta forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $3.87 to $4.89, which is plus 26%. Theta will begin 2031 at $3.87, then take off to $4.10 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $3.95. It is about plus 308% from today. 01152 into 4. Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.04, so the cost diminished by 19% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is Tier 3 and the year-to-year change plus 58%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 95%. In 2024, we hope to see 101.36 per 1 Theta. In the main portion of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $12. In the final part, the cost would lose $13 and close the year at $1.99, which is plus 92% to the ongoing cost. Theta expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $1.99 to $2.89, which is up 45%. Theta will begin 2026 at $1.99, then take off to $2.09 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.12. That implies plus 104% from today. Theta forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $2.89 to $3.45, which is plus 19%. Theta will begin 2031 at $2.89, then dip to $3.01 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $2.83. It is about plus 172% from today. 01012024. Theta value forecast 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.25, so the cost diminished by 3% from the start of the year. The estimated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3.04 and the year-to-year change plus 137%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 144%. In 2024, we hope to see $2.04 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $3.17. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.19 and close the year at $2.98, which is plus 139% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $2.98 to $4.29, which is up 44%. Theta will begin 2026 at $2.98, then, at that point, take off to $3.13 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $3.17. That implies plus 154% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $4.29 to $5.11, which is plus 19%. Theta will begin 2031 at $4.29, then, at that point, dip to $4.47 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $4.20. It is about plus 237% from today. 12,150,2023. Theta value forecast 2020.